Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel of J.A.K Audio. Today we are going to talk about the Stagger analog distortion and tone shaping channel strip. The Stagger features several circuits built around a fader amplifier. Let's take a look at them. First, the fader amplifier with boost. This fader amplifier is the heart of the Stagger. All the other circuits are built around it. This fader amplifier features a level control and a boost control to add some gain and drive to the audio signal. Besides, it mixes back the signals coming from the two sense level for both the soft clipper and the local level. This way, it mixes the processed signal from these two circuits with the dry signal always present at the output. Last but not least, there is a small 4-LED peak meter to keep an eye to the output signal level. Don't be afraid to go into the red. There is enough headroom left to accept your signal levels. Just keep an eye into your DAW input levels. Second, the DA input, with a switch to select the front panel input. It accepts guitar, bass, or piezo microphones. If you need more signal level, just crank up the boost control. Third, the soft clipper. This circuit is based on the soft clippers that are used in radio stations to prevent clipping the final output amplifiers and overmodulate the output signal. It features two operation modes. First mode, in phase. When used in phase, it does little to your signal, just prevents hard clipping to occur. When used out of phase, now it starts to be interesting. There are two zones around the send knob divided by the 12 o'clock position. Harsh zone, here the circuit may weaken or distort your signal in an interesting way. Punch zone, here the circuit adds punch to snares and bass drums and a bit of distortion. You will notice both at the demo later in this video. Last but not least, there is a bypass switch and a 2 LED indicator for the signal level coming into the circuit. Minus 20 dB and plus 9 dB, which is the level around the circuit is meant to act more on your audio signal. Fourth, the local level. This is a recreation of the famous Shure level lock limiter. It features several front panel controls, 3 switches, and a send level that also acts as a gain level. Remember, this is also a mic preamp. This is why it has a minus 10 or minus 20 dB pad to accommodate the line level signals. There are 2 more switches. Distance, this is a threshold control. It has 3 positions, 18, 6 and 12. Just play with them until you reach the effect you want. Release, its name says it all. Also 3 positions, slow, mid and fast. Combining the pad level, distance and release, you can achieve many interesting results that work fantastic on drums and overheads. Last but not least, there is also a bypass switch and a 2-level signal indicator, minus 30 and minus 20 dB. This level may seem very low, but you have to understand that this circuit, as recreated here, works at 9 volts DC, so the headroom is smaller than the rest of the circuits that work at plus minus 16 volts DC. And now for the video demo.